Hello. Welcome to another issue of the Privilege Corner. Oh, you might be asking yourself, why does his hair look so magnificent this morning? Well, it's because my AC is broken and I haven't fixed it yet. Nor do I have the money to fix it. My job at McDonald's ensures me that I don't need to spend money on petty things like air condition. Anyways, you wanted to see my fridge. No, I wanted to show you my fridge. Well, I'm going to now, so you can see the lavish lifestyle of someone like moi, who shops on a regular basis, regularly once a month. Okay, let's have a look. First of all, what do we see here? Well, milk. It does the body good. This milk expired at least 4 weeks ago, but it's empty and I keep it as a souvenir to show people that I do buy milk. Let's see here. Old Chinese food from at least 2 months ago. It's probably still delicious. Gonna save that for seconds. Okay. Look. It's a Ziploc bag of meat. It's my favorite bag of meat. When you put meat in a Ziploc bag and then put it in the fridge for 5 weeks, it smells great and it's delicious. It's your privilege as a white man to keep bag meat. Okay, let's move on. Shall we? I have one monster here. I found it somewhere. And then there's this. There's hummus. I haven't eaten that in forever. Hummus. I've got a bunch of yogurt. Every man's dream is to have enough yogurt in his life that he can eat. It's just a fact. My cat's playing with my light thing. Stop playing with the lightning! Okay, anyways. There's also butter. I've got lots of butter. You know, the one thing that you should always have in your house is butter. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. And then, finally but not least, I've got an old bottle of Fireball with at least 4 or 5 ants floating around in there. I left it out one night on the patio after a fun night of drinking alone. That's what I call it. It's just normal night of drinking alone. But anyways, I accidentally let the cap out and a few ants got in. I got most of them out, but I didn't get those 3 out. But it doesn't matter now because it's just more protein. So there you go. As you can see, I have a fridge. And that fridge has food in it. So the next time you think you've got food in your fridge and you're a hot shot, just look at me and my empty carton of milk and my at least 3 yogurts and stolen monster. I didn't say stolen, I said found. This has been Nathaniel Leopold XIV. I'm going to go outside and jump in a puddle of water to cool off now. My shower's been broken for some weeks. Have a good day, and until next time, keep it real, you cranky ass, slow pushing, no job having other people. Boop.